welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our tour. Yes, it's currently Holy Week and I have a friend that is coming here in Iloilo. So magbe-visit sa iglesia kami. I'll tour them around ng buong family niya dito sa Iloilo City, around our rich culture and of course our majestic churches. For now, first stop natin, we are here at Cafe Loop. Hi! It's a drive-thru coffee and there's Manong. Hi, Manong! Order tayo dito inside our car. Then, ibalik lang di siya dahil. Ibalik! Dulong di karon ni Manong. So, Cafe Loop is just across Plazuela, Dos. And near Gaisano ICC. So, that's the Chowking. And after we got our coffee, we will proceed to Diversion 21 at doon kami mag-meet ng aking friendship. Yay! Thank you!
This is my finished look, Mami.
Look! It's so beautiful! Hi! Welcome to Iloilo! Oh, ang gaganda! Grabe! Grabe! Yung kaibigan ko nasan? Wala na. Naglaho na bigla. Bye-bye! They are here at papasabak po tayo kasi purely Tagalog tayo today. Alright, today. Here he comes! Hi! This is our first stop here at Gaisano ICC and I have here those beautiful ladies. Yeah! The most beautiful girl in the family. Hello, nice meeting you. And eto, yun. Oh, nagano pa, nag-rate pa. Ganda-ganda. For our third stop, we are here at Haro. And bili tayo ng bibingka. Ngayong gabi. Oh! Proud daddy. Yeah. Yay, we are now here at Sunburst Park and of course photo op again with the super dad and the two ladies nandon nagpo-photo shoot.
Oh yes.
We shouldn't miss our tour here at the Iloilo City Hall. Yay! We are down to our last stop, which is Malo Church. Yay! I'm back! And this is the best tourist destination in Iloilo. My mother! My mother's love in the city of love! Yay! I hope you enjoyed our tour!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Ruby Inspired!